Hi! In front of me is TCL 405, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by locating an app called Files and clicking on it. Following that, hit clean at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and select clean under junk files. Lastly, confirm your choice by selecting clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!